Hazrat Aisha, may Allah be pleased with her, narrated that she found her parents following the religion of Islam since she was a child. There was no day that the Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him, did not visit them twice, in the morning and in the evening. When the Muslims were persecuted, Abu Bakr also decided to migrate to Abyssinia. He reached Burak al-Ghamad, where he met Malik ibn Dughan, the chief of the tribe. Malik asked him where he was going. Abu Bakr, may Allah please with him, said that his people had expelled him and that he would now travel the earth and worship his Lord. Malik said, "Such a man cannot be expelled or driven out. You are a benefactor to the poor, a kinsman, a protector of these oppressed, a host, and a helper of the truth. I grant you protection. Stay and worship your Allah in your own city." Malik brought Abu Bakr back to Mecca and told the leaders of the Quraysh that he could not expel Abu Bakr. He said, "Abu Bakr is a good man. Would you expel a man who helps the poor, is related to you, protects the oppressed, is a host, and helps the truth?" The Quraysh agreed to give Abu Bakr protection, but they told Malik to tell him to worship his Lord in his own home. They said, "Do not cause us any harm or make it public, for we fear that our children and women may be tempted." Malik told Abu Bakr what the Quraysh had said. Abu Bakr agreed to worship his Allah in his own home, and he did not pray in public or recite the Quran outside his home. After a few days, Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, built a prayer place in front of his house and began to pray there publicly. The children and women of the Quraysh gathered to watch him. Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, was a weeping man, and he would weep when he recited the Quran. The leaders of the Quraysh were alarmed by this. They sent for Malik and told him that they had given Abu Bakr protection on the condition that he worship his Allah in his own home. They said, "He has gone too far. He has built a prayer place in front of his house, and he prays and recites the Quran there publicly. We fear for our children and women." Malik went to Abu Bakr and told him that he had to either agree to worship his Allah in his own home or return Malik's protection. Abu Bakr said, "I return your protection to you. I am content with the protection of my Allah." The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said that he had been shown the place to which Abu Bakr would migrate. He saw a salty land with date palms between two rocky plains. The Muslims who wanted to migrate to Medina had already left. Some of the companions who had migrated to Abyssinia also returned to Medina. Abu Bakr began to prepare for his migration. The Prophet, peace be upon him, told him not to hurry, as he was also hoping to be allowed to migrate soon. Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, asked the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, if he was sure, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, said yes. Abu Bakr, may Allah be pleased with him, waited for the Prophet, peace be upon him, to migrate with him. He had 2 camels, which he fed with date palm leaves for 4 months.